Liberty was unique because it offered a one-year program, which most schools don't. So I had a couple things I was looking for. I wanted to go to a Christian environment, and I wanted it to be done in 1 year. And I also was 17, so I needed someplace to live. And Liberty was actually the only school on the East Coast that had a Christian one-year A&P program that also offered housing. It's a really excellent program. You're able to go through in that year and get your airframe and power plant license, which is what you need to be a mechanic in any capacity in aviation. You can work on major aircraft, general aircraft, rotorcraft, anything with your airframe and power plant license. And it's really amazing that you can get it in 1 year because most places take 2 years to do it or 18 months. I was really impacted by the faculty when I was a student in the program, not just because they have a wide range of expertise that they drew from, but also because they really cared about the students, and many of them came from missions sort of backgrounds, and coming here to Liberty, they see their students as their mission field. The candidates that come out of Liberty are highly sought after by different airlines, especially the commercial airlines, because they see such quality coming out of our school. We even have recruiters who will come to the program and offer our students opportunities to get jobs with them before they've even completed their licensure.